Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to make a quick snack today when we go out to Mexican restaurants. I love nachos, but I don't get them real often because by the time you're done eating the chips and salsa, you don't really want to eat more chips. So today I'm going to make just a snack, some nachos, but instead of using the corn chips, which again at the restaurant tends to get a little soggy sometimes, then also at the restaurant, by the time you're done getting all the toppings, there's always a bunch of chips left over with nothing on them. So when you make your own, you can put as much toppings on as you want. We'll have toppings on every bite. The thing I'm going to do that's a little bit different on these nachos, we're going to call them, I guess, potato chip nachos. I've got some jalapeno flavored kettle chips. And the kettle chips, I think, are going to be really important. I think regular potato chips, they're going to probably get soggy. But these, let me show you a couple. These kettle chips, they're thicker, more crunchy. To me, they're almost like stale potato chips. But I think they're going to work perfect for making nachos with them. They're going to stay crispy and crunchy. A little bit of that jalapeno, boy, I can smell it. A little bit of that jalapeno flavor on there. So let's get started. So what I want to start with here is just an aluminum pie pan. I'm going to put in some parchment paper on top of this. And then we'll load up our potato chips on the parchment paper. So hopefully what I'm going to be able to do is slide this right off. The cheese is going to hold everything together. And I'll be able to take a spatula and slide it right off into a serving plate. So let's just load up our pie pan here with the jalapeno potato chips. And what's nice on this, you can make as little as you want or as much as you want. I'm not going to list too much of the ingredients and how much because it depends on how much you make. Some of these potato chips you can see are coated quite well with the jalapeno flavoring. All right, for the cheese, I'm just using grated cheddar cheese. You can use whatever grated cheese you want. The nice thing here is put as much cheese on there as you like. Cover every inch of those potato chips. All right, we're ready to go here. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to put these in there for about 5 to 7 minutes, at least until, take a look at them and make sure the cheese is really nice and melted. All right, so yeah, I had them in there about 6 or 7 minutes. Now for the toppings, I kind of noticed the toppings are kind of a mixture between nacho toppings and like a baked potato topping. All right, so I think the first thing I want to do on the toppings, I have some chopped up bacon. I guess I could have actually put the bacon on before I put these in the oven. But it also might make it a little bit too greasy. Then I've made up some pico de gallo. You can buy it at the store. It's very easy to make yourself. I'll put a link in the description below on how to make some good pico de gallo. I don't want too much of the liquid on there, so I want to strain off some of that liquid. What's nice about these things is you can put as much toppings on as you want. I always hate it at the restaurant where you always get to those last 10 nachos and there's nothing on them. Okay, let's put a little bit of sour cream. I got this in this container. I just thought it'd be nice to squirt it on there. Let's see how it comes out. They could have made that hole a little bit smaller. And then maybe right in the middle, we'll put in a big dollop of guacamole. Wow, looks pretty good. And then I'm going to top it just with add some leftover cilantro from the pico de gallo. I guess if you wanted to, you could put a little couple spoonfuls of like some chili, buy some canned chili and put a little bit there on top. But here you go, very easy. It looks really good. We'll try one here, and then we'll see if we can pick this up and move it to a plate. I don't know if it's going to slide off or not. We'll see. But just to let you know, that slid off of there really easy from the parchment paper onto a plate. So yeah, good idea to put that parchment paper on there. Mm-hmm. It's nice. Potato chip stayed nice and crispy. A little bit of heat from that jalapeno potato chip. Bacon's really good on there. Excellent, very good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.